You are about to see a lesson in achievement, what one man does with what he has. The Mona Lisa, handiwork of one Leonardo da Vinci, Florence, Italy, 15th century. Except this is Mona Lisa as copied by one Paul Smith, Roseburg, Oregon, 20th century. A good copy? No, an excellent copy, when you realize it was all done with a typewriter and an eraser. Paul Smith is an artist. His medium, typewriter. He was born with spastic paralysis, a nervous disorder. It took him 32 years to learn to walk, half that to learn to talk, and somewhere in between, Paul Smith got his first typewriter and began to paint. Slowly, methodically. Paul Smith, the man who has been unable to control his body's movements, is a perfectionist, and over the past 30 years has learned to master machine, even though he couldn't master muscle. Now in his middle 50s, Paul Smith spends 2 to 3 hours a day at his art and listening to classical music. 6 weeks, 8 weeks, sometimes 3 months on a single painting. His current effort, a 3-color rendition of George Washington crossing the Delaware. Different color, different typewriter ribbon. Painstaking, we call it. He laughs as if it were nothing. But the works he has done are far from nothing. They are a gallery of mankind's best, a gallery of one man at his finest. Of the 70-plus paintings he has done, Paul Smith's favorite is Christ kneeling in the Garden of Gethsemane. He did it for his mother, who was dying of cancer at the time. What Paul Smith dreams of creating with his typewriter is a huge painting. Something tall, something wide, and he says he will when he discovers the one right subject he is seeking. If Paul Smith wants to do it, he will find a way. Ray Summers at large in Roseburg, Oregon.